quilting friends! My name is Carolina Moore and I'm your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and today we're going to be talking about this fun box. You ready? Let's get started. So as you can read on the box, it is the Sew Sampler box. This is Fat Quarter Shop's monthly subscription box. I love subscription services, even though I can't say the name. Love subscription services because you get a surprise. And how rare is it that we get surprises in our life, right? And we know that this is going to be a surprise that we love because it's quilty stuff, and I love quilty stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open this with you. I haven't opened it yet. I have no idea what's inside, but I can't wait to take a peek. So let's go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna open them up with some little thread snips. They might be fabric-y scissors, but they're not the good fabric scissors, so I'm gonna be able to get away with it. So it's just secured with a little bit of tape. And this is the March 2023. It says Scenic Route. So let's take a look. There is a cute bundle of fabric. There's a little card. It says Scenic Route, March 2023. It says that there is a junior jelly roll. Some self-erasing markers. A Dritz cat pin magnet, and an Easy Street quilt pattern. So, and it looks like there might be some other things. Are there? Oh, a cut right bind up tool. Yeah, and a cut right bind up tool. Okay, so we're gonna have to dig into this, see exactly what all these things are. I love how it all fits perfectly. So this is the Quilter Select 2-in-1 Precision Tip Fabric Marker and Eraser. So it says it's a self-erase marker. On precision tip marker on one end with a pointed tip eraser on the other. Might have to try that out. So when I see the purple tip markers, I usually think that it's the air erase. Looks like this is not an air erase. It is a marker and eraser in one. So, oh, it says the markers disappear automatically after 1 to 7 days. Okay, so it is kind of like an air erase, but I've had air erase that erase in like 2 hours. So this takes longer. Use onboard eraser for immediate removal. You need to test the mark and ironing it on all fabrics before you do your final project. After marking, if it needs to be heated or ironed, treat with clean water to prevent discoloration. And close caps after each use. Well, that's handy. I love good fabric marking pens. This quilt strap carrier. If you're binding on the go or simply headed out for a picnic, don't forget the quilt strap carrier to safely secure your quilts while on the move. To use, fold and roll up your quilt. Simply slip the quilt strap carrier loops over both ends of your quilt and pull to tighten. That's super handy. It's like a yoga mat strap, I guess, but for quilting. So, okay. So it looks like it has a knot on the end, but it isn't a knot. It's a loop. So you just open this up on one side. And you do the same on the other. And what a fun way to carry your quilts. So you just tuck your quilt ends, rolled up ends through this and then tighten it up. And then you can just sling it over your shoulder and take your quilt on the go with you. That's handy. Okay. A pin magnet with a cute kitty shape. It has a suction cup on the back. So suction cup, you can try this out even. I don't know if it'll suction there because of because I've got a gap there, but it's probably going to be better like inside here where there isn't an area that's going to cause it to pop right off. But that's for keeping things secure. Handy, handy. Okay. Cut Right Bind Up. The fast, easy way to finish your binding with perfect mitered seams. Works on all binding strip widths. Fluorescent green color makes lines clear and easy seen on all fabrics. That is super handy. Looks like there's some information. Oh, this is Quilt Along. Cute pattern. Easy street pattern. And then looks like this is part of this Bliss. That's the finishing pattern. It looks like this is one of the steps in the Bliss Quilt Along. Well, how fun is that? I love, great patterns. All kinds of fun notions. I love a notion. We all know this about me. I love a notion. So all kinds of fun notions, all in this great box. If you want details on how you can get signed up for your own Sew Sampler subscription box, there are details down below to help you get all signed up for that. And now you've taken a peek inside at all the fun stuff that comes in one of these boxes. Pattern, fabric, notions. Oh my, so much fun. And then it just shows up at your doorstep once a month. All right, friends, that's what I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you have any questions or comments, throw those down below. I look for those comments and I try to respond to as many as I can. I'm getting pretty close to all of them. And I will see you, my friends, right here real soon. Bye for now.